These days, so many candidates are struggling to choose the best IT course before entering to the software industry. Many candidates are they completed their graduation, and some people having career gap also after completion of their graduation. But to choose the best IT course, it is very hard these days because there are number of IT courses are there in software industry. So today I am going to differentiate two popular IT courses. Those are nothing but data analyst and Salesforce developer. So which one I should learn? Which person can able to learn data analyst and which person is able to pick Salesforce developer course? So before going to dive into the main topic, if you want to attend the interview preparation and mock interviews, then please approach me. If anyone want to approach me, just check the video description. You will find our website links. Okay, now let us discuss about the main topic. Which IT course should I choose, either data analyst or Salesforce developer? If you enjoy working with data, analyzing trends and deriving insights to support decision making, then becoming a data analyst might be the right choice. Data analysts typically work with various data sources, clean and pre-process the data, perform statistical analysis, create visualization, and interpret results. So this data analyst has some minimum coding skills job, guys. So if you don't have in-depth coding skills, then this is the best choice. You can choose a data analyst. So if you know some core Python and SQL knowledge and advanced Excel and any one data visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau, these skills are added. So these skills are enough to become a data analyst. Okay, and at the same time, some companies also expecting some machine learning, artificial intelligence related technologies or skills as well. But these are the four main skills: code Python to automate the scripts and to create the dashboards or to generate the reports. You are using one data visualization tool, and statistics and database and SQL knowledge is also mandatory. So this data analyst technology is rapidly growing on various industries such as healthcare, financial, e-commerce, marketing as well. And another side is Salesforce developer. If you are interested in working with customer relationship management systems and helping businesses manage their sales, marketing, and customer service process, Salesforce might be a good fit for you guys. So Salesforce is a leading CRM platform used by many businesses to streamline their operations and improve customer interactions. You may have doubt what type of skills are required to become a Salesforce developer. I already uploaded a couple of videos related to how to become a Salesforce developer. So highly recommended any one programming language. The preferred programming language is like Apex. So it's similar to like a Java programming language only, and also some advanced Java concepts as well. So if you have some basic or fundamental good knowledge on coding, then this Salesforce developer job is good fit for you guys. So if you don't have coding knowledge, then it is not going to work out. You cannot survive as a Salesforce developer in software industry because of there is high competition out there. There are many candidates are already learning the Salesforce developer course. So who have good knowledge on coding, those people only can survive and can crack the entries as well. So I can conclude this topic. It's all about your interest and passion. So if you are very passionate towards data related jobs and some data insights and decision making and some analysis trending related jobs, then data analyst good fit for you guys. And if you are very fashion related customer relationship management, business to grow businesses like sales and marketing, this kind of fashion if you have, and also you are very much like to do some coding, then Salesforce developer is good fit for you guys. Now another point is career wise both are well and good. They are rapidly growing in software industry, both trending technologies, guys. That's all guys for this session. So if you still have any doubt to choose or to pick any IT course, and you are very dilemma to pick any IT course, or if you have any career related doubts, then I am providing one best service, that is a career counseling service. You just check it out in the video description. You just book a slot, then I will Then I will clarify all your IT related doubts over the phone. Okay, so if you really love this information, don't forget to share to your friends, and also don't forget to hit the like button. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.